Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search icon and in the search bar type Google Chrome. Click here to open the Google Chrome web browser. Now in the search bar, paste this link. You will get this link in the description below and just hit enter. It will download the zip file. Now simply extract this zip file. So right click on it and select extract all. Click on next. Once done, double click on the folder, open it, and then double click on the first file, select as. Now select as and then click on OK. Once done, close this and simply restart your system. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.